Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the latest Acer Nitro 5 AN515-45 low volume problem. As you can see, the default sound is very low. That is annoying. I see a lot of people complain about it. Here is a solution. Just go to the DTX apps, custom setting, enable all these audio enhancement. Most importantly is volume smoothing. I hope these videos can help guys out solve the low volume problem. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you and appreciate it.